Hey, my name is Kenneth Stanley, and I'm in the web development program. I'm excited about the opportunities I have come across at FullSail to gain even more experience in the web development industry. This is my DVP1 final project. I want to talk about some stuff, including the coding challenges and the research I've done throughout this course. I want to reflect on the challenges and experiences I went through in this course. I also want to talk about the ways I can improve and get better at coding. Prior to this course, I had some HTML skills as well as JavaScript and C# skills. Back in December of 2016 was my first official coding class. Jumping straight into C# and console programs, it was challenging learning based off videos and knowledge gaps intentionally left. I had to find a lot of my information through my own research as I figured out how to code. Overall, I enjoyed the entire process, and the more I learned, the more I loved it. I am excited to see what C# and other programming languages can do for me as a web developer. So far, other than FullSail, I've learned from other online sources such as Online Academy and SoloLearn, as well as lynda.com. On those sites, I've learned some of the most basic web development skills. While those are where I learned the basics, my time at FullSail has taught me some more advanced things. Just getting myself ready for my web development work every day is a task. Preparing myself to give my all as I code, and the more I practice, the more I see I will never be able to practice enough to truly master it. I think one of my issues is actually in the process where I fear I won't produce something good enough, even though I have the capability and intelligence too. I think that's one of the big things I need to get over. I was a bit behind in my coding challenges due to pulling extra shifts, but I finally finished them. I want to talk to you through the program and test it so you can see what I produced. So now I'm going to hop over into VM Fusion software and show you my code here. So in this code, I've created all four parts of the coding challenge, each as dictated. So each one of the things such as swap name, um, backwards, age converter, and tim converter are all in separate methods. The real issue I had was getting validation in this. So now let me go ahead and show you what I have here. It's just a short paragraph introducing people to text. So pretty much, hello, welcome to the menu. In this console program, we have four different operations we can do. Enter 1 for swap name, which swaps your first and last names. Enter 2 for backwards, which will take any text you enter and write it backwards. Enter 3 for age converter, which will take your age and tell you how many days, hours, minutes, and seconds you've been alive. And lastly, enter 4 for temperature converter, which automatically converts from Fahrenheit to Celsius and vice versa. So if I enter something like A, I've got a loop going that it will automatically pull you back. So now if we enter 1 and take us into swap name, because that's the first one, I'll use my name as reference. So I enter Kenneth Stanley, and then it will swap name. And that's where the program ends. I enter 2 for backwards, and it just wants a random string of text. So I like doing the alphabet when I was testing, so I'll do that now. A, B, C, D, E, F. Just because it's nice, easy, and you can easily see that it is doing it. Now on to the age converter. So I'm 19, which all of these are correct because I did the calculations myself, ran checks, and I know that pretty much what's going on here is that it's taking years, times it by 52, days by 365, hours, minutes, everything, etc., etc. And now on to Fahrenheit. I'll run this one twice so you can see that it does convert from Fahrenheit to Celsius. So 32 degrees Fahrenheit is, sorry, that was Celsius. So, yeah. So 0 degrees Celsius is 32 degrees Fahrenheit. And 0 degrees Fahrenheit is negative 17.7792, or Okay, so that's my program. Runs all according to plan, and everything's looking good. Everything's correct. I'm having an issue that um, I was having an issue that is, and I fixed it, so this should all be on my source tree. Okay, so that was my code challenge review. I just want to say I love learning about Bitbucket source tree as well as finding out how to back up my code, which really helped when my program randomly disappeared and I was able to retrieve it. I enjoyed the research and learning about the industry and how it all affects me as a web developer, especially about how Agile and Waterfall are currently used in the industry. And this brings me to my last problem, time management. I really need to learn how to manage my time with this class. As managing between my new job and class, I find that I really need to dedicate more of myself to being a student. And just overall, I really loved it, portfolio development and working with the code and coding challenges of this class. I look forward to the next one, in fact.